Hey, what is up guys, this is Tiro back with another video on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the best GCam as of right now. In my opinion, I have been getting some of the queries about this GCam and I have taken some photos and uploaded it on Twitter, and these are the photos. And some of you guys have asked me like which GCam is it and how does it work and which are your settings and like which settings you are using and from where you can get it for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So here I am with a video of the specific GCam. Well, you can download it from the description box below and install it. It should work in most ROMs because camera to API is pre-enabled on this device. So let me show you the settings over here pretty much. So now that you have seen the photos or the samples, and some of you guys have been asking me what settings I am using over here. So let me start. After you have installed it, let me show you. If you go more and into settings, it won't be like this and it will be really like simplistic over here. It won't show up like this. So for that, what you do is you go to about section, then you enable this advanced mode over here. As you can see, enable advanced mode option, just enable it. Yes, the dark theme is enabled for GCam over here, so that's how it looks like. And let me enable to light. Which settings I am using, if you may ask? As you can see, I have set at the back camera settings to the Pixel 3a XL. Now over here, the front camera is set to Nexus 6P by default, and from this NR model I just selected this IMX5860 and not the IMX586X. I don't know why I didn't select it, but IMX5860, I think it works a little bit better, but I'm not sure. And over here, light trail switch, you can have it to like have some kind of light trail photography if you are interested in those. As you can see, I have turned it off, but you can also use it if you're like having light trail mode, like if you are willing to have some light trail mode photographies. And over here, pixel like AWB mode, over here I have set it to IMX586 over here. And the HDR plus control and stuff, I think everything is default over here. I did not change anything from here, so like leave it default if you're like gonna use it like this way. And over here, the back camera resolution, you do get 4K option, but I'm using it up to like on the HD 1080p settings. And front camera over here, it's set it to like 4K by default. So that is all the settings I'm using over here. Not like something like crazy over here at all, I would say, but these are the default settings. I think I did not even change anything over here. So OIS and stuff is enabled, even though this device does not have OIS, but that's how it is with GCam. So it's kind of like a universal build which should work on like most device. So yeah, these are all the settings, and from these I got like those kind of really amazing looking photos, I would say, with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And in my opinion, yes, it did a fairly amazing job. And for 14,000 rupees or even 13,000 rupees if you calculate the exchange and stuff, this device has the best or the most amazing cameras, and the GCam is just crazy in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tiro from Kerry and Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.